criminal cases work themselves out in very magical ways. And just when I think I know what is happening, something happens, hopefully for the defense benefit, and the outcome drastically changes. We've done a case where the offer was the offer was not changing. I could have sworn we were penciling the matter in to go to trial on. And we got sent to a different judge, a new judge. I've never been before the judge. I've never seen the judge before in my life. And for whatever reason, during this conference, the judge calls me by my first name several times. But the judge keeps calling the prosecutor by the prosecutor's title. And when we walked out, the prosecutor looked at me and the prosecutor said, "How well do you know the judge?" And I said, "I don't. It's my first time here." And the prosecutor is like, "Well, why does he call you Elena? Why does he not call me by my first name?" And I said, "I don't know. Why don't you go ask the judge?" And I got a call a few weeks later with a much better plea offer. And the only thing that changed is the prosecutor was not sure if I was being truthful about knowing the judge. And P.S., I found out that the judge runs a very informal courtroom. He's very defense friendly. And to the extent possible, the judge calls everyone by their first name. But during that conference, only I was called by my first name, but not the prosecutor. So the client got a better offer. I'm yet to go before this judge again. And it worked out for the client. The client got the resolution that he was looking for. And I think absent this very strange thing happening at the conference, I probably would have had to go to trial on the case.